tell me.
Yeah.
Sorry. 160. Or the shift's better?
Yeah, man.
Yeah? Getting better?
Getting better, man. See, from 0 to 160, it's fast.
Yeah, yeah.
From 120
Yeah,
to
exactly.
160 is not.
Exactly. I know exactly what you're saying.
So I told you it's
it
not
did,
a highway
from 1 to
runner.
160 was nice. No, it was doing real well, yeah. This is more fun than PlayStation, man. Like, much more.
So it's because it's real.
Is he wondering who's behind him? Oh, yeah.
No, Gardner. Oh shit, Mustang. Go close to him and come, slow down.
Didn't call me doing anything.
No, that guy's going a lot faster than you are.
Who?
That Mazda 3.
What is he doing here, though?
Construction. I think that Mustang wanted you.
How do you know?
Because he heard you. And as soon as he heard you, he started going off.
I don't want to catch up with him. Fuck, he's flying, bro. I'm 140.
You might have a detector.
Huh?
You might have a detector.
Who?
Mustang. Because the Mustang slowed down before he even saw the cop.
Sure.
I'm not sure. He might. I'm not saying I'm sure.
You mean he wanted me to push him?
Yeah, man. You heard your car right away. You started pushing it.
He'll smoke me in no time. And we know that, so. I'm just gonna take it easy right now. You want me to push it?
How fast are you going anyways?
Keep it.
You're going 140. Yeah, you are. Or 130.
Keep it. What am I doing?
155. Chill.
Tell me where we can make house.
You're just enjoying the ride, man. You're staying straight.
I'm not doing anything to harm the clutch at this point, am I?
When you're in gear, no. When you're doing the a little bit.
Worried to push it.
Unless this guy has a detector and he knows what he's talking about, I would slow it down. Because I know there's cops. As soon as you're done, as soon as you're up around here, there's cops. I would recommend speed limit. And They hide
I
right
want to see
around
him
there.
mistake the turn.
Fuck yeah, he's taking it, he ain't slowing down. He's not hitting the gas though. Like right around here there's cops. They're in this area.
Probably knows.
Maybe he does.
Well, I'm not doing more than 20 money at this point.
120 is 90.
It's what, 90 here?
It's 90 here.
You
See,
see?
look at the sign right there. 90.
Shit, that's not so high.
That's still 30 over. See, this is the kind of lights I have. I like the old school lights.
Which one? Is Mustang?
Ones like this? No, like this stuff. Like the way the highway is.
Yeah,
So when you go really fast, it's like a tunnel.
Oh, yeah.
Right? They used to have that on the 404, but then they replaced it with the new stuff. Everywhere used to be like that, the 401. Oh shit, is the bike going against the Mustang?
Where is it?
Up ahead. Oh shit, I think the Mustang and the bike are racing. Let's see when we get up on the hill, let's see if they're racing.
How do you know?
Because they went together and I saw both of them start to fly. Yeah, bike's right behind the Mustang, he wants to race him. Let's see what happens. Bike's gonna take the Mustang, man, unless it's a slow bike.
Sure?
Yeah, unless that Mustang has serious horse.
Well, it comes out fast from the fucking stock.
Not as fast as a bike though. Factory bike against factory Mustang, factory bike kills it. Slow down, the Mustang's getting off the highway. I think that was the Mustang that just got off.
Were they racing though?
I don't know where the hell the damn bike went. Bike's all the way over there.
You're really into bikes, I can tell.
Bike's all the way up to there.
If
You gotta remember one thing, if you go against a bike and a bike wants to race you, it's not about the fact that he'll probably kick your ass. It's the fact that if a cop does come, the cop's gonna come after you because you're
You
easier
can't
to
get
get.
him.
Yeah, you're easier to get. And now, I'm warning you, this highway is patrolled by helicopters. At least that's what the sign says. This is a nice highway to fly on. And now enjoy the view, now you cruise. Now you put it in 6th.
Yeah. For some reason I feel like taking a piss again when I'm...
Yeah, same here. I think it's where you're driving.
Keep it having it fun. No, it wasn't good song.
The hell? Where's song 50?
Blast it a little bit.
Nah. No need to blast it. Oh, the CN Tower is off. Now you just cruise and enjoy the view. You enjoy the lights in your car.